Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's been a while, and hopefully everybody had a happy new year or is going to have a happy new year. So, hey, what I wanted to talk to you today, real quick, is a short video on adding meta tags to your website. I know a lot of you are ramping up for 2025. You want to get your website ready, but there's particular things that you're missing to do. So, let's get straight to it. I am going to share my screen on desktop 3 so I don't get all confused here. Okay, so when you are on your Moxie website, this is your homepage, the back end of your website. So if you scroll down to settings and hover over to the right, work your way down to meta tags, it is blank because you have to put the meta tags in place. What meta tags is, let me show you what it does, is this is the source page for bobpatel.net, my website. If you notice, there's nothing in particular up in the top. Just a bunch of code. Now, if I do the same thing and go to jordanlink.com and right click on my Chrome browser and say view page source and give it a second to load, see, there's a big difference from here, nothing, to here, this information right here, right there. So basically what I'm doing is I'm telling Google, hey, my website title is Century 21, Jordan Link and Company to Larry King, blah, blah, blah. My keywords currently are Century 21, real estate agent, realtor, local realtor, blah, 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 etc. So what you're doing is you're basically telling Google, hey, here is my description, here's my title, etc. of my website. So then when Google goes through here, because Google doesn't see this, Google sees this. This is your website in code. This is what hackers and everybody else look at. They don't look at the visual part. So it reads the top part says, oh, your website's regarding real estate and etc. in Tulare, Kings County. Then it starts crawling the rest of your website, which is this website, and starts noticing that, oh, your title, your description, your keywords is relevant to the content on your page. So how do you do that? Let's get right to it. So here we go. I'm going to make it as simple as I can for you. And in the chat bot, what I'm going to do is in the comment section on this post that I'm going to add, I am going to add a prompt for you. So basically what it's going to be is you're going to go to ChatGPT. You are going to go into create a chat and post the prompt that I give you. You're just going to copy and paste it. Basically, what this says is telling ChatGPT act as a as the top digital marketing expert with prior experience with Google Analytics and Search Console experience. For the website I provide, create the site title, description, and long tail keywords. What long tail keywords are not local realtor. Local realtor serving Tulare County is a long tail keyword because what happens is everybody's targeting realtor, home for sale, but they're not targeting homes for sale in Northwest Visalia. That long keyword, well, most people think, well, Bob, those long keywords only get like 100 visitors a month. Yeah, I only want one lead. Where some short keywords are going to get 6,000 views. Now you're competing with everybody else on the planet to capture some of those leads. So look for the long tail keywords, okay? So once you put that in there, watch what happens. It says enter. Sure, I'll provide you the website, blah, 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 niche focus. I will create the requested content for you to provide the website. So I am going to go to bobpatel.net, which is my test site. You're going to put in your own website, your personal or your brokerage, hit enter. Then it's generating content based on what I have on my page. So it's a start. Okay, it's not 100% perfect, but it's a start for you to get something on your website. Then I'm also gonna include the link to this website called seoptimer.com/meta tag generator. It generates it for free. So what it's saying is, hey, for your site, what's your title? So then you're gonna go in here and says, okay, this is my title of my website, Bob Patel. Copy that. There we go. What's my site description for now? You're going to do is you're going to use the site description that ChatGPT gave you. And then later on you can edit it or you can edit it. But at least it gave you a starting point. And then it gave you relevant keywords, luxury homes, etc. Central California. It already knows what's on my website, what I put based on the content. So I'm going to put these in here and it automatically comma separated it. You're going to allow robot text to index your site. Yes. Allow robot to follow links. Yes. Leave the type of your type of your content. Leave that alone. What is your site primary language? English, of course. Author. Well, I am the author. So I am Bob Patel. Search engines should revisit this page. So now remember, don't put, I want search engines to visit every day if you're not going to go in and update any type of content on your website daily. So if you're looking to create a blog or blog post and you're actively working your site, spending a couple of minutes a week, 5, 10 minutes a week, updating content, rephrasing a paragraph, then put 7 to 14 days. If not, you're just going to put 30 days. So I'm just going to say 30 days. My website should come back and visit every 30 days. If you make it shorter, say 7, I want them to come back every day. It's going to come back every day and notice that in about a week, you've done no changes, but you said for me to visit you every day, you did no changes. It's going to stop visiting you. So do me a favor, don't do that. Once you put all this information in, you're going to hit generate. You're going to take that information, copy it, come into settings to meta tag, and right in here, you're going to paste it and then hit update. That's it. Later on, you can come in here and say, okay, let me add a key phrase and let me edit this title a little bit. You can do that. Now, if I go back to bobpatel.net, my source page, remember it had this, nothing at the top. So if I refresh my screen, see, now I got meta tags. Right here. So when Googlebot comes into cross, says, oh, title of the website, Bob Patel, luxury real estate, realtor, blah, blah, blah. Description, discover top tier luxury home real estate services with blah, 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 blah. And then it says, oh, your keywords are luxury real estate, expert real estate, home realtor, top California realtor, etc. And then it starts crawling your site. It's as simple as that. Do that first. Then you're gonna add your website to Google Search Console, then to Google Analytics, and we'll do that in another video. But this is your first step. As soon as you put your website together, put that in there, save it, and let Google start indexing. Hope it helps. You guys have a great day. Thanks.